Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so. What frame Adjoa searching.
Look, Louis, there is no video evidence, any record, meet me at here say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Akasetia Obi, especially Canada, Japan. Run up to 2024, 2025.
Yeah, the primaries.
The primaries. Is it this year or last year?
This year, no.
This year, no. One. The last campaign, I didn't one come from Dr. Bawumia. Did you hear any reply from the man?
Yes. Now, we share on my last peace packs. You could see the man was pissed,
Yes.
but he kept his composure.
Yes. Oh, yeah, nipa.
Yeah.
Obia who said,
kept his
where the
composure.
Bawumia composure.
Yeah.
But I didn't call.
Yeah.
But later, it came to light to say, Sasem na Kennedy kafa Bawumia. Say, no. And one thing I don't like about Kennedy followers is anytime Mahmoud Bawumia makes an attempt to say, Obeko Kennedy work for peace, they see it as weakness. You see them on social media saying that then they'll be laughing. Look, the strongest component of a man, sorry, and to be able to approach, in quote, the enemy to come on board for us to work together. So for me, if Dr. Bawumia goes to him to talk to him, say he should come back, it is a sign of strength rather than weakness.
Politics is a game of numbers.
And I don't see anything wrong with it. And he is a matured person who knows, he said, this one was vote in election. Yeah, it goes beyond that. Let's come together and work. Yeah, best the threats are too much. Are just too many. So they be July.
Yes, June, July 2027.
But why do you wait till that time? And why is it that all issues are you cannot channel it through the party communication structures? Is it that Obi or Hobia here now? But this is the same party, Emma Kennedy. For me, growing up, I only knew of Kennedy when as an MP on a ticket of MPP. Anywhere that he got opportunity, he didn't get opportunity as an independent man, but as a party man. So party we have heard of people saying that you got contracts during Kufuor's time, till Kufuor's time. Maybe I think at the point he was chairman for Ghana Gas or something.
Yeah,
exactly. So what is it? Edianko sebi. Say say afani afanka na nchesa bontinsuni. Emefanko. Ya best especially Kennedy supporters. They talk and let it behave. Omo behave man yet say ase obi attack Kennedy. Obi amanfo no penasem. MPP for you so no madam pono. No please. Obia ye juma wo party ni.
Yeah.
Hwe ye wasikafo ene omo da ho a omunya ya omo peni pass man ba chi di omunya. Sika no omo ntimi nsuma sika. Obeti menya sika. Elon Louis meme de sika beba. Ba wo de wa ho de beba. Ye party rally kra na omo ahihye nkonya no. Oni so mu ni ho no a ye ho be kire mpa. Odi mu de ntia. Cause esikafo ni nyina wo soro omo hu se omo kofa nkonya ahihye. Ti yen meni chi di mu ni ho no ye beti ma ahihye nkonya na. E be hedin. Enti won so obi ahu hia. It's not just about money. Yes, he has contributed money to the party, but it doesn't mean that because of that the party should be under his feet. No. It is wrong.
Adwembone ahye utrim ewiase ye ntre wiase nyesa Bawumia brand ho ase we say abronye we are now bobongrofo di if those individuals have hurt you a party ni nyina na hurt you ye ko election onkrofo akenka bi Bawumia so onkrofo akenka bi onkoa de onpese obeyi sa de na free wakoma onkoa onpese obeyi sa de me say MPP will come to power without your support. And the youth of the party say yes, you are fire hwadwen. Bibia oba be kan bia no, you hear response I ba be respond o. Papa, ya brew. Bibia oba kan bia no. O say July then you going to spill the beans near there. Yes so ye ba be do oba kan bia no, ye ba be respond. Jaisa na we ya penny bonnet. Honorable Ken. O ya penny bonnet. Ye ntre wi asen jesa. If you want to become the president of Ghana, Bawumia na umianko. Na umia wi aye nyina nso ye support amount. Anko ye unti chese de bia no. O pese odin to ye eba MPP form. Aden. Boni aye o ne say ye support o say we a grassroots person. Aden. Huh? Ye ntre ase nyesa.
Useless government na eba ye Ghana for wo nkwa na ye wu moja nkwa na esu egu na efe ngu omso they shouldn't be escaping with just arrest. What is the next miracle then what on che na munni munyansa nti na mudi isa munti ha Dennis Miracle Abuaje is a Ghanaian politician who was previously appointed as a presidential staffer responsible for local government and decentralization with additional responsibility as the executive secretary for the interministerial coordinating and decentralization. Patromi bisasem. Se committee bi koye sika hwan se bi sika semwa. Me pachewo. Eya na eye presidential staffer na ono na information oye liaison ema committee no any executive no me patro eya ono na ya omorane disbursement of sika efa no na we are critical thinking. We are not even going to go back far. Let me show you how dumb these NDC people pretend to be. Me say Dennis Miracle Abuaje ye ready say or your presidential staff are responsible for local government and decentralization. Ye say obey executive secretary, meaning presidential executive secretary. Edi Amaden interministerial coordinating committee. And me be say ni na say obi or your presidential staffer or your liaison say ye disperse ska me patron ono na ye discussion and sasa on fanko ye adwuma na. Somebody should help me. Erudite, is that how it works? Maybe I'm wrong. These people are evil. These NDC people, they are just evil. Papa. Maybe someone say we are critical. NDC for na mudi atem mo wa him nchoromre. E dey na mu ye. Muna mebe dante so muna mebe dina ha no CEO na dia na ye ready say no nye CEO or your presidential staffer responsible for there and the man executive then secretary. So a liaison between the committee and the executive. Pretty much that's what it says. And me bisa say and this is for no ya next time mo ba me page ni so amema ya block mo. So mam me kasa. Me hu and this ni bia amema o ma block because they am ye na enye. Mo be dina ha di matem. And I'm not be from any as I say, I am my Danny. I feel the man who said, the Yoko Trono, I am Cassia Samuel into ways where who do water. Internet, they be a more arrested, but more fan cocotte. Answer when you may go, I say. Now, some of the bay your politics Ghana, or you can't even move Jano. Answer what Ferry. Ujina see her, wait, be at them. Now, maybe I tell you how stupid these even charges are. Maybe I tell you the intia. Maybe say me didn't crack, no be at say clear. Say, and say government we find themselves in a tight corner. Government we finding a whole tight corner. Uncle arrested one popular MPP ni. Uncle arrested TikToker. Na yanko ken no asem. Na yenja umkrasi aban no umubuna. No. President now, or then the nine left Kambu SR right now, or Nanti Cheku no who the oil no. Ujina the president now. Mina me experience. Bawumia the oye mate. Bawumia near mina me could experience. Ebano a poor minimum dare, ebane jam minimum fem, bibia minimum fem, John Mahama was a better kunyaso, who grew anymore as say one ferry, as I to chenkro for. Was also in the media, and I mean, minimum says our presidents na for sa. When your opportunity a baby president view. John Mahama. Also, Bawumia on your experience, but it's no we should end in that same amount. Because why you be paying? A favorite, the Awuyini. On some ferret was a macho. Doomsaw is back was a macho. And then see you better, he said, in baby macho. Also, for be say, and a messian yang, and a messian ponko. Obiko repeatia was a macho. Na motwe ne mubu nkurase amemwo ewo manimo nana poku opoku a wo de emza wo de na ye enyo opoku papa ye de to me bisa am question say yes nana ya those who want to sanitize area those who want to sanitize the union na me bisa mo say sister na me bisa mo say a presidential staffer who serves as the executive secretary.
Do baby wodri. Na be ondo defending this. When you are people defending this. Na mo so no so. Mo na mo pese MP benya to me. Munya maji samba bo Dr. Alaji Mamu Bawumia. Dede me de ekoso na man no ka Japan nyina no me hu se Bawumia agenda na mo se no. Ebi se ka Japan be kan sa se huni o kan faso bi ene sunsuo bi enyina mu. Yo be kan ya masomu ya fa na ko ha ya fa na sene ha ye we ni ade nyina no. Ekọ month. Sa month no mo ye se mo de ton Bawumia nka Bawumia din aduachi. Kan di aduachi. Ete make sure Dr. Alaji Mamu Bawumia maka kan so wontie no. Se running mate omo ni din de. No sha se nya adwuma. Dr. You are free Bawumia body din de. No sha se nya adwuma. Tisa wan hwe wuntimi ni president. Wan hwe wuntimi ni president. Obi a woko campaign wan support o. And the waba eno so no do. Na se wo de bra wo fa. Bo trinko. Ne mu nasam ne dwunu ho ba ko mienu miensa. Dwunu nasam ho ba ko mienu miensa. Timisramo the issue of Japan mo do dwene. Oni shi beka. Oni hu take asem bibiere no aka de Japan beka. The more ya no ya say and ye send people ko mo sem bi o ada ko e wate no obeka na asem bi ani ho ade na wo so no nya odwuma na mo nto ka Japan din tontwene wakasa no won fi de se mo ko na asem beto no ma mo so so ko heni pie ne nkofo agya no ho hia sire nko no mo sere sa o ka ba kwa pam pipidie o kasa na nti amana he pompous o feel big cause wo kana usuro dia ani abi bobo ntire bebeka bibi na dia wo ye no wo ja na direct your attention from purposeful activities no na for you are dealing with trivialities dia people mo hwe yi o sa kwa na monam so no na amwa party no winning power 2028 Bawumia bo ayu afri ye din enne as running mate mo sha se